What's up, foodies? Today we're going to make one of my favorite fall recipes, apple pear coleslaw. This recipe is only a few ingredients and one tool, so let's get into it. Alright foodies, first we're going to make our dressing. Add 1 cup of Greek yogurt to a mixing bowl. I like to use 2%, but if you want to use a lower calorie dressing, use a 0% yogurt. I decided to pick the smallest bowl I have, do better than me, and pick a bigger bowl. Now toss in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, or any vinegar you have on hand, 1 tablespoon of salt and black pepper each, 1 tablespoon of English mustard or yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey from Crete. Well, if you don't have honey from Crete, it's fine. Use whatever you have in your cupboard. I just have a ton left from my trip to Greece. Toss it in, give it a good mix, and place it to the side for now. Taking a box grater and using the slicing side, take 1/4 of a head of red cabbage and start grating, being careful not to grate your fingers. Then we're going to take half the head of a small green cabbage and grate that as well. Take all your shredded cabbage and place it into a bowl. A bench scraper will help you get all the little bits that fell out of the grater. Now using the large grating holes on your grater, grate a medium-sized carrot, skin and all. Once your carrot is grated, grate a large pear and start grating on the same size holes. Grate the whole pear until all you're left with is the core. Do the same with the red apple and place everything in the same bowl as the cabbage. Give your area a little wipe down. Grab your dressing and pour it onto the slaw. The best way to mix this is with your hands, so get in there and start mixing. About halfway through mixing, realize you forgot to add the cranberries. So let's add those in. We're going to add about half a cup. That should do. And continue mixing until the slaw is coated in the dressing. Now plate it up with some sliced almonds. Let's give it a try. And here we go. Let's try this slaw out. It's really one of my favorite salads in the fall. Apples are plenty, pears are plenty. It takes a few minutes to make, and one tool, just the box grater, and that's it. So make sure you give this recipe a try. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe down below. Until next time, foodie out.